travel update. We're on the train between the border, North Korea to China. So behind me is Dandong, that way, North Korea. Well, we're in North Korea. So not sure if there's any soldiers here, whether I can film outside. I'll have a look.
Yeah, there's one right below me.
Yeah, there's a few people down there. I don't know if there's soldiers there, is there? Yeah, so we're just at the border crossing here. We've had our passports handed back, so we've officially left North Korea to all intents and purposes, and we're just heading across the bridge on a slow train here. A slow train to China!
There's a building there with two Kims on it.
Is there? So we're still in North Korea then, if the two Kims are on there.
Ferris wheel.
It's probably, there's a theme park, isn't there?
Maybe the next place.
Right, there's a few soldiers there, so just keep our eyes out for those.
Okay, that is a river.
Are we at the border then? Now?
Yeah.
Oh, that's it. That looks like this is it, isn't it? Coming up. Right, so I'd say that everything you see out there is the DPRK. That's the Democratic People's Republic of Korea. Right there, and there is a fun fair, but it's the smallest fun fair I've seen. Yeah, there's a Ferris wheel there. Now we're just about to hit onto the bridge, and wow, the sun's setting, and that's the city of Dandong in China just there. So there we go. We are leaving the DPRK. And there's the that's the bridge the Americans destroyed there, the Friendship Bridge. See that one there? You can see the remains of it. Yeah, there it is. Wow. Goodbye DPRK. Goodbye North Korea. That's you, that's North Korea. On to China. But you get a view of that window as well, do you?
Oh, fuck me, you get a beautiful
You get a photo of the bridge. You want to take that, and you take that one, right? Okay. So yeah, there's Dandong. So they destroyed that bridge. There's part of the bridge. You can see where it ends. That's incredible, isn't it?
It's the French.